At a high level, there are two approaches to synthetic data. And we have focused more on one of them, the rephrasing one, than the other, although I think there is opportunity in the other one. So the first approach is create new data where the knowledge that's in that data is largely coming from the model that's generating that synthetic data.
Oh, that's distillation then.
It's a version of distillation, and I think that this version of synthetic data could be construed as distillation in disguise.
Yeah.
And I think it is a very clear version of this. And when you think about like the criticisms of synthetic data around model collapse and stuff like that, I think they largely apply to this version of you have a net new data creation that's coming out of these models. So that's like path one.
I'll slip one in there. There's also model steganography, where you can sort of hide preferences in a model and distill it down.
Absolutely. And now we've seen like the recent like owl stuff around that.
If people search anthropic owls, you'll see it.
Yeah, exactly. The other way is this rephrasing, rewriting approach. So this is the information that's in the data is actually coming from the data that you're conditioning the rephrasing on in the first place.
Yeah.
And all the model's doing is it's reformatting the data
Cleaning.
or presenting it in a new way that maybe is easier for a model to learn.
Yeah, cleaning, right?
It's cleaning it in some way. It could be cleaning it. It could be making it, the information more accessible. It could be putting that information in a format that is more representative of what the model is going to be faced with downstream. So I do think that like one of the things that definitely happens with synthetic data is we are bringing more post-training like data into pre-training.
Sounds like SFT.
And in general, like one of my beliefs is that most of what we do in post-training is better done in pre and mid-training and earlier on in training in general.